friend. Debbie here. Welcome to EmpowerHer After Divorce, where we walk with you as you rebuild and rediscover yourself after divorce. Today, we're talking about how the words we use can either help us or hinder us. After my divorce, I used to say things like, "I'm devastated and I'll never feel better again." These words kept me stuck in pain. But when I changed my words, I started to see my situation in a new light. Once you become aware of the words you use and pay attention to how it makes you feel, negative, did they make you feel negative or positive? Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I can learn to do this." And then recognize your emotions without judgment. Then you can decide what words reflect what you truly want in this next chapter. Reflect on your dreams and the kind of people you want around you. Instead of, "I don't know what I want," say, "I am discovering what I want." Rewiring is about showing your brain new ideas, letting go of old negative beliefs by replacing "I am not good enough" with "I am worthy of love and happiness." Positive affirmations can rewire your brain to see new possibilities. Changing your words can change your mindset and your life. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. Remember, you have power to reclaim your life and create a future full of joy and purpose. Words can convey a victim mentality or empowerment. Saying "I was abandoned" creates a sense of victimhood. Reframe it to "I have an opportunity to start anew," to foster empowerment. Victim mentality phrases like "I can't believe they did this to me," it reinforces mistrust. Where empowerment phrases like "this experience has taught me valuable lessons" reflects personal growth. Let's look at some practical phrases that can help us apply this in post-divorce. We can reframe the narrative. Blame: "It's my ex's fault that I'm unhappy." Take responsibility. "I'm responsible for finding my own happiness and moving forward." Learning from the experience. "They ruined everything by their actions," versus "what can I learn from this experience about myself and relationships?" Behavioral changes. "I can't move on because of what they did," or "I will take steps to heal and rebuild my life that I am proud of." Taking responsibility doesn't mean taking blame for everything that went wrong. It means acknowledging that while you can't change the past or control others' actions, you can control your own reactions, decisions, and future. The shift from blame to responsibility is empowering because it places you back in the driver's seat of your life. Here are some powerful steps to shift the language around divorce. Becoming aware, understanding your thoughts and emotions and motivations through regular self-reflection. Using this awareness to identify words that can be shifted. Using positive self-talk. Reframe negative thoughts, boost confidence, and foster resilience with a positive affirmation. Reframe thoughts. Replace negative thoughts with positive, hopeful statements. For example, instead of "I failed," try "I learned from valuable lessons from this." Seek support. Engage with supportive friends, family, and professionals who can provide encouragement and new perspectives, helping you shift the words and the beliefs. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend more time with supportive friends. Consume uplifting content and avoid negative news. Pay attention to what you allow into your mind. Practice gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal and note down 3 positive things each day. Seek evidence. Challenge negative thoughts by listing accomplishments and challenge the words choices and learn to rewrite and reword things in ways that create empowerment. Taking responsibility. Accepting the responsibility for your actions and outcomes rather than blaming external factors. Using phrases that help you feel more powerful. Affirmations. Regularly practice positive affirmations to reinforce desired qualities and practical potential. Set goals. Focus on steps and achievable small goals. Managing goals to build a sense of accomplishment and forward momentum. Remember, small, simple steps can move you forward, one word at a time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you're more powerful than you know, and the words you use can affect how you feel. Sending you so much love, Coach Debbie Forth Wigley. Bye for now.